For a quick overview of data types, I created this table here. And so on the left column here, we can see the different data types listed out. And on the right are their definitions and what they're used for. N varchar is a variable with a Unicode string. A float is any small numerical value with a floating decimal point. So like 1.1 would be a float. Date is any date value that's formatted into YYYY, which is the year, month, and day. The varchar is a variable with a character string. Integer is a numerical value. A tiny int is a smaller integer and also serves as a numerical value. A double is a large numerical value with a floating decimal point. Char or character is a fixed width character string with a defined width. And a bit is an integer that can be 0, 1, or null and is often used as a true or false indicator or a yes or no indicator. In here, I just put together a quick data dictionary with a few of the attributes that we contain in our dimension tables, their data types, and what they are. So here we can just go through a few and see that the provider ID is a data type of integer and serves as a unique identifier per provider. For a varchar example, we gave the hospital name a varchar with a max of 50 characters, and that serves as the name of the hospital. Another integer could be the phone number of that hospital, and that serves as their contact number for the hospital. And another varchar could be the measure name, which has a larger max characters than the hospital name with 100, and that is the name of the measurement. On this next slide, we have a few more different dimension attribute examples, their data types, and what they serve. And so we have the hospital overall rating, and that serves as a tiny integer. And that's the overall average hospital rating. And then we also have hospital ownership and rating footnotes. You can see that the rating footnote has a possibility of having more characters, and so we made that a varchar of 100 instead of varchar 50, which the hospital ownership attribute contains. And so with that, I will move on and pass the ball to the next presenter.